Y'all, I am so tired of creating videos, doing a great job, then go back to edit and something's wrong with it. So this is going to be my second time creating this video. So if I seem a little irritated or like talking a little bit fast, it's because I'm mad that I'm having to record this video yet again, because this time I recorded a great video and my mic wasn't on. So there was no sound throughout the entire video. So here we go. Take two. We're talking about whatever it is I'm talking about. All right, here we go.
Okay, so I'm gonna say something. You know that little intro you just watched about me being tired of recording the video? So I re-recorded the video right then. It still didn't have sound. It's so ridiculous. So my mic was working because I tested it right before I started recording again. For whatever reason, it wasn't working again. So here we are for the third or fourth time of me recording this. Sorry, my eyes watering. And so y'all are getting me now looking the way I'm looking in the car, in the carpool line, waiting for my son, because I'm trying to get this video out. But for whatever reason, it's not clicking. It's not working. I don't know what's going on. So, and again, I'm sorry. I don't know why my eyes watering all of a sudden. So sorry. Gosh. Okay. So we are going to try this again. This video is for those of you who have created your AI twin or influencer, but we're going to say twin for purposes. You created your AI twin and now you're wondering, what exactly do I do? You know, my last video was all about the mistakes that people are making. This video, we're going to be talking about monetizing. Okay, so if you are ready to do that, let me know you're serious by dropping a ready in the comments down below that you're ready, because I'm ready to get this video out and done. Okay? So, if you are new to me, my name is Ikaneisha. I am an AI marketing expert. I am the creator of the AI Avatar Lab, where I teach people how to turn their AI twin from a shiny new toy into a monetizing, money-making machine. Okay, so this video is going to give you clarity. Oh, this looks like a better angle, doesn't it? This video is going to give you clarity on exactly how you can use this new tech to make money. We're not just trying to create cute little pictures, okay? We're trying to create some money. All right, so let's jump right into it. The number one way, easiest way, is to jump into affiliate marketing. So if you do not know what affiliate marketing is, it is when you sell a product that is not yours and you get a commission off of it. Now, a lot of people are using their AI twins to do a lot of fashion affiliate marketing. So for example, let's say I want this gorgeous, like right now, there is this gorgeous Coach bag. It's been viral for a while, but I actually wanted it way before it went viral. But now that it's viral, I cannot get it. It keeps selling out. So you can only get it at the Coach outlets. It's a really beautiful. Let me stop one minute. Okay, point is, let's say that Coach has an affiliate program, and I sign up for it. Oh my God. Got a phone call in the middle of that, so if there's a cut and weirdness, that's what it is. So sorry. Again, see, this video just won't record. So again, let's say Coach has an affiliate program and I join it. Instead of me having to go out and purchase this bag, I can still promote this bag using my AI twin. I can have my AI twin holding the bag or have it sitting on a table as I am eating at a restaurant or looking all cute in a cafe and the bag is sitting there. Whatever. I can create any sort of scene that I want with the product without even having to buy it. Then I post it, put my affiliate link up in there, people click, they purchase. Guess what? I get paid, save up that money, and I actually go buy the bag. You feel me? So that's what you all can do with affiliate marketing. Yeah, and it doesn't have to be just fashion. You can do technology. You could do books. You could do anything, because now you are able to use different platforms to add in products that you are promoting. Super simple. All right, so I skipped from first to third. The second way that you all can use your AI twins for monetization purposes is obviously digital products. Digital products have been here for a while. They're not going anywhere. I've been selling digital products since 2018. You already know that if you've been following me for a while. So the easiest way to sell digital products with your AI twin is to do, again, like I was just saying, put in the product in the photo or video with your twin. Do the same thing with your digital product. It may be digital, but you can put it on a computer screen or a phone screen or a tablet screen in a photo with your twin. Or you could create a video scrolling through it as if she or he is using the product or scrolling through it. You could do that. You can have the product sitting on a desk. You could have her or him in a carousel post that is promoting the digital product. Be creative with it, because digital products are one of the easiest things to sell if you know what you are doing. You have to know the strategy behind it. So your AI twin could be the face of your digital product, or you could actually have your twin on the cover of your digital product. Sorry, I'm trying to get something over here on my thing. Okay. And then I want to give you all an example of this. So let's say, gosh, I can't remember the example I did. Being I've recorded so many times, I ought to know it by heart. Okay. So you could create videos as well promoting your digital product, but do it in a way where it's just like you promoting it. Okay. So like I said before in the last video, a lot of people tend to think that because this is an AI twin, it can't do the same things that you would do as a person. If you have a guide, a $17 guide or $7 guide about meal prepping on a budget, you yourself would create a video around 3 meal prep mistakes that you're probably making and how to fix it or what to do instead. And instead of you doing it, just make your AI twin do it. So that way you don't have to record the content. And at the end of the video, your twin would then say, if you want the full guide, grab my link below. Grab my guide with the link below or comment meal prep and I will DM you the link. Simple. There it goes. Okay. So again, you don't have to have the excuse of not creating anymore. Your AI twin can create the content for you. It can be the consistent face that drives the sales. All right. Now, the third way that people are creating money, or sales rather, with their AI twin is something that a lot of people, how can I say this? People don't believe it, basically. People are not believing it, but I am in several Facebook groups where people are making bank with this. And it is the NSFW content, or adult content, or not safe for work content. And people are making bank. I mean, serious money. There's one guy in a group that I'm in. He's creating couple content. So he has an AI generated couple. And he creates their content on, it's either 2 or 3 different adult content platforms. And people are paying for this. And then this other girl I know, she just does the AI feet pics, but they look like they're hers. Like, they look like they would be hers. So some content that I'm seeing, you can tell is AI generated, and then others you cannot. So it totally depends on your audience. Some people do not care. All right. So I actually wanted to do this because I know how to do it. However, when I started on that path, it just didn't sit well with me because it wasn't something I enjoy creating. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's just that it's just not something that I enjoy creating. I do have some short guides in my AI avatar lab all around how to create feet pics and how to get into this sort of thing. However, if you want to go deeper into it and learning, more about it, I do have a friend who has a really good course because I've seen it all around this. So I'm going to leave a link to her phenomenal course down below in the description box, as well as the comments. And she teaches you how to do this safely, legally, how to make money with it. She teaches you exactly what generators to use, prompting, everything. She does a really good job, and I've seen some of her content too. It's great. She's queen. So again, I'm going to leave that link down there for you guys. So again, the ways that you can monetize your avatars right now: affiliate marketing, digital products, not safe for work content. All right. So it does not matter what niche you're in. You can do 1 or 2 of these. All right. So those are the 3 smart ways you can start making money right now. And the thing is too, I want you all to understand that even though you have your twin, you may know exactly what you want to sell, you still need strategies. And a lot of times people still get stuck. And that's because they tend to believe the myths and things that people are saying inside of the groups and on social media, and it keeps them going around in circles. So the next video that I'm going to be talking, my next video, I'm going to be talking about those myths that I'm seeing, especially in these Facebook groups, because I'm in one Facebook group. It's almost 300,000 people, and it's just about AI. And some things people are saying, I'm just like, no, wrong. Because if you're not aware, I am the go-to person in my city right now around AI. And it's been like that for the past year. I make my money off of teaching people. There are different ways I make money with AI. I'm going to talk about that probably in a live or something, because I don't do it in the normal conventional ways that people are talking about. So that's what I want to talk about in the next video. We're going to talk about the biggest myths that are keeping creators broke and stuck, and what actually works. And I want you all to watch this next video so you don't waste time, again, doing the wrong things or believing the wrong things. So make sure you all watch that next. And if you're watching this and that video hasn't come out, go back and watch my last video. Check out my podcast that is here on YouTube, or you can check it out on Spotify, iHeartRadio, whatever. All the links are in the comments, okay? All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, and I hope this posts. If this doesn't post, this video it's just getting scrapped. Okay, I might just turn it into a carousel. Bye, y'all.